The particulars are on the fact field today of 2018 say the event.
I do.
Yes, Your Honor, in the matter I do appear for the state. Why? Number one.
So far, at the moment, the prosecution has not indicated any flight risk element on any of the three accused persons to be stringent bail and bond terms as against them. It is therefore my humble submission that insofar as it relates to the second and the third accused person, the court should exercise its discretion without bearing in mind what my learned colleague has said on stringent terms.